Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn on two-factor authentication or two-step verification on the WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and then you will see three dots on top right, click on it. And then you will see setting option, click on it, and then you will see account option, click on it, and then you will see two-step verification, click on it, and then click on turn on. So right here 6-digit pin that you can remember. So again confirm your pin. After that click on save options. So if you want to add business email in case of you forget your pin, then you can add email. I don't want to add email, that's why I will click on skip options. So click on skip options. So in this way you can see that two-step verification is on. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.